morning to all. I take the privilege to introduce our guest, the man of action, the man of simplicity, Dr. P. Kishan. He is the President, Indian Psychiatric Society, South Zonal Branch. He is the Professor and HOD, Department of Psychiatry, Prashanthi, Institute of Medical Sciences, and Chief Psychiatrist of Prashanthi Hospital, Karimnagar. His field of interest are research, rehabilitation, preventive psychiatry, spirituality, and mental health. He is the executive member section on religion, spirituality, and psychiatry of prestigious World Psychiatric Association. He is also International Fellow of American Psychiatric Society. He had served as President of IMA, Karimnagar, also as convener Indian Psychiatric Society Task Force on Spirituality and Mental Health, and also Task Force on Yoga and Mental Health. He has published many indexed national and international journals. He is also the founder secretary of Karimnagar Psychiatric Society and an NGO Shanti Society of Wellness. He is the receptionist of various awards. To mention a few, Vaidya Ratna Award, Vaidya Vibhushan Award. He has great administrative skills, organized many state, zonal, and international conferences. I welcome you, sir.
Sabak Namaskara. Vanakkam. Respected chief guest of today's function, Dr. Balakrishnan, IPS, Commissioner of Police. Thank you, sir, for a wonderful speech with a lot of empathy. I have seen police officers with a lot of empathy. You are one of the wonderful person in police, understanding the mental illness. Dr. Ramakrishnan told me about your services to Trichy. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation and delivering good address to all our delegates. Dr. Ramakrishnan, President-elect, South Zone, today's in our host of the function. Dr. Lakshmi Vijay Kumar, she is the Chairman of Suicide Prevention Committee, South Zone. And today's speaker, Madam is also founder of Sneha Suicide Prevention Center. Welcome to you, Madam. Dr. Arun Kumar, coordinator of this function. Dr. Abhay Matkar, Secretary, South Zone. Dr. Sahul Amin, editor. Dr. Gangaram, treasurer, and whole EC. Even though they are not able to come to this function, they are conveying wishes to all delegates. And the delegates, psychiatrists, social workers, some of the village leaders who are working in the mental illness. Welcome you all, and I'm welcoming press people, and I'm very happy to know that just now we crossed the 2,000 registrations for this web version of suicide prevention activity. Good afternoon, everybody, and I'm welcoming for today's, all of you today's web version of suicide prevention program. Shortly, you are going to listen a legend's work and about comprehensive presentation by Lakshmi Vijay Kumar today. Coming to South Zone, Indian Psychiatric Society, South Zone, as a routine, we are conducting suicide prevention activity every year. As a rotation, this time, Tamil Nadu State Branch is sponsoring and in association with Atma Hospital. At this juncture, I want to tell the names who are behind this program. Dr. Arul Prakash, President, Tamil Nadu State Branch of Indian Psychiatric Society. Dr. Babu Bal Singh, Secretary, Tamil Nadu State Branch of IPS State Branch. Also, the legends in the Tamil Nadu State Branch, past presidents and senior psychiatrists, Dr. Nambi, Dr. Shanti Nambi, Dr. Satyanathan, Dr. Ponnudarai. So many, Dr. Tirunavakarsu. So a lot of senior legends are giving guidance to South Zone. On behalf of South Zone, I'm conveying best wishes to this program and to Tamil Nadu State Branch. At the same time, I'm reminding Tamil Nadu State Branch leaders and office bearers and seniors to utilize the opportunity given by the South Zone for the membership drive. Shortly, we are crossing 1,000. The EC has taken and removed the membership fee for this year. With the target 1,000, we are reaching 1,000 within 1 month. Shortly, we are going to announce the good news for all of you. I'm requesting Tamil Nadu State Branch and all senior people try to motivate the members and increase the membership of IPS. At this juncture, I want to congratulate Dr. Ramakrishnan. He shortly, within 2-3 months, is going to take over as President of Tamil Nadu State Branch. Is really, I'm feeling very happy to hand over my charges shortly within 3 months to him. He's a person of leader. I have seen his work. Yesterday morning. I visited Atmalayam. I visited the Mind City. I visited Shantivanam. So he's working a lot of, I've seen. Thank you, sir. You are a practical proof of commitment of psychiatric and mental health. Rehabilitation is my mission, but I have seen real work from you. I learned a lot of things from you. How to deliver services to homeless mentally ill. A lot of homeless mentally ill yesterday I have seen. And rehabilitation services and giving employment to more than 100 members. It's really not a simple thing. And really, and my congratulations as well as best wishes on behalf of South Zone to you, sir. And today we crossed 2,000 delegates. The credit goes to Dr. Ramakrishnan and his concept. Now he has given a wonderful name, Love to Live, for this web version of suicide prevention program of South Zone. Thank you, sir, for taking the challenge, even though there was a troublesome situation of COVID, and making a grand success. I'm again congratulating Dr. Ramakrishnan and his team and Tamil Nadu State Branch for taking this as a challenge and making a grand success. Here, I want to tell about 1 to 2 minutes about the theme of the suicide prevention program for this year. Working together to prevent suicide is the theme given by WHO and International Association of Suicide Prevention for this year. We, especially Indian Psychiatric Society, in India, suicides are more if you see the international scenario. In India, South Zone, that is South India, and East India, the Northeast states, are suicide rate is very high. That's why South Zone has taken a decision to have this program as a permanent program till the suicide rate decreases in South. That is, as a rotation we are doing, we are giving equal opportunity to all states. That is the main thing. And today's this main theme, coming to this theme, whole Indian Psychiatric Society in the nationwide as conducting a lot of seminars and different programs for suicide awareness and different zones. On behalf of South Zone and all 5 states, we are becoming together. And from this forum, as the president of South Zone, from historical city of Trichy, from banks of River Kaveri, I'm feeling happy to come together. Let us come together because there are a lot of, I'm able to see the 12,000 delegates, different social workers, community, the nurses are there, psychologists are there, psychiatrists are there. So let us come together. And on behalf of Indian Psychiatry Society, we are coming together, all psychiatrists throughout the nation. So let us do a comprehensive planning and implementation to decrease the suicide rate in this area. I want to quote here about the Indian mythology, our culture, our Indian culture as well as our Sanatana Dharma will not accept the suicide. You take Mahabharata, Arjuna went to depression and anxiety in midday of the war. Then Lord Krishna has given counseling, that is the Bhagavad Gita. So he has to face, when he has seen his grandfather, he has seen his guru, so his hands shaken, he's out of anxiety, and these things will come. So he told, life is a war. You have to take the challenge. So no attachments, nothing, no guilt. There's no place for the guilt. You have to, whatever comes, you have to take it as a issue. So like that, the counseling goes on. Same thing, I want to express one more same incident in Mahabharata. Most of the people were not aware of this. Even Duryodhana got a depressive scene. He called Bhima in the midnight. The Arjuna episode happens in the midday, in the middle of the Kurukshetra war. But Duryodhana went to this as a gift, ideas of guilt, and went to depressive swing and called Bhima to the middle, in the midnight, in the center place of Kurukshetra, and is given knife to Bhima. I'm worthless. And he thought that he developed guilt as he has done sin with Barbarika, was son of Bhima. So my life is worthless. He's a child and he's feeling so guilty, and that in depressive scene, he asked Bhima to kill him. So if you kill me, I think you will be going to win the whole this war. So then Bhima has given counseling to the Duryodhana. No, this is not the way. I don't kill you. And you have to face this life. You have to face the war. You have to die as a warrior, not this timid way of. This is the counseling given by Bhima to Duryodhana. Then you know what happened in the whole Mahabharata and Kurukshetra war. So why I am quoting these two messages, in India, suicide rate should be decreased. Our mythology, our Sanatana Dharma is against suicide, and we should ignite not only psychiatric services, not only teamwork and implementation, awareness activities, and the suicide is a sin. So this message I am giving from the banks of river Kaveri, the Trichy. Life is a flow. Stagnation is like death, what our philosophy tells. Life should be like a flow of water. That's why our ashes will be, will pour in the rivers. So that is our life. We should, if we stagnate, that will be equal to death. So always face the challenges, and our mission, our activities should be ignited with this positive way of thinking. You have to face the war. Life itself is a war. And here I am concluding my address because Lakshmi Vijay Kumar is waiting. He is going to give a wonderful and comprehensive presentation of suicide. Madam, I'm thank you to Madam on behalf of from your land. I'm telling my thanks to you for accepting as a chairperson of suicide prevention activity, and thank you very much for to be in cabinet of South Zone EC, and thank you very much to all my EC members for cooperating with me to do all these activities. With this activity, we completed South Zone except IFSOCON, and this is going to be, I think, today with the 2,000 count of registration is high. This credit goes to all seniors in my EC and office bearers of the South Zone. Thank you very much.